This is 1969 Austin 1100 Mark II.
So, which model is this?
And this is my family car, which is imported all the way from UK.
From UK?
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. 1969.
1969 it is.
Super. And engine specification?
So this is a 1100cc engine and gives you about 55 horsepower.
25 hours.
55. 55. Yeah, 55 bhp, and it's a great thing to drive. This is a successor to Austin Mini, which is nothing but a Mini Cooper. Yeah, this is, we can compare this, or this is like how a 4-door Mini Cooper used to look like back in the days.
So, this is a proper two-seater, like a Mini or 4-seater?
No, this is a 4-door proper Mini Cooper, which we can say 4-seater. It's a 5-seater car. 5-seater car, yeah.
Super. And what was the registration cost?
I have no idea about it. I've just kept spending, but approximately like 10 to 12 lakhs and more still keeps going on.
And then you get the spares from?
All the way from UK.
All the way from UK?
Yeah, you don't get anything here apart from the bulbs and everything.
And just hypothetically, if you are planning to sell it, how much will it cost?
Firstly,
You don't have to tell me.
no, it's not priceless. It's again a rare thing in India. We just have about 3 or 4, not more than that. But not sure about the price. I don't really wanna sell this. My uncle is not gonna let me do that. Yeah.
Okay. Any standout feature that you want to mention?
Yeah, this runs on hydroelastic suspensions, and suspensions are filled with coolant. And that's not something which all the cars have it. And, yeah, hydroelastic. Hydroelastic is the term, but it has coolant filled in it. And you can see the suspension of this.
Any modern touches apart from the suspension?
I've kept everything original apart from, I don't think so there is anything modern added up.
Super, very nice.
Thank you.
Thanks for talking.
Thank you.
Take care.
Yeah.